Okay, so this video is about working out the fractions of a group. Okay, so we're starting off with a fairly easy one to start with, so it's half of 12. Now, I think a lot of you would be able to go straight away, that equals 6. But what we want to look at once again is the process that we go through to work it out. So the fractions come out a little bit different on the computer, but this is the same as 1 over 2, which is a half. So this 1 is the numerator, which is the top number, and tells us how many parts are in the fraction. And this bottom number is called the denominator, and that's how many equal parts the group is being divided into. So for this first one, we need to divide 12 by 2. So we'll do that on the calculator. And I'll just get here we go. So we just go 12 divided. So on the calculator, sometimes it can look like this, the divided symbol. Divided by 2 equals 6. And that gives us our answer there, 6. Now, there is one group in this sum, so our answer for that one is 6. So we'll write that one in. So half of 12 is 6. Simple enough for that one. Let's just go on as they get a little bit more difficult as we go along. Just clear the calculator. So the next one is 1/3 of 15. So first step, we have to have the denominator, which tells us how many equal parts we divide the group by. So the group is 15, and we're dividing it by the denominator, which is 3, and that equals 5. And there is only one group, they're only wanting 1/3 for this one, so our answer is 5. If this happened to be 2/3 of 15, then what we'd do is we'd then get the 5 and times it by 2, and it would be 10. Our answer would be 10. So 2/3 of 15 is 10, 1/3 of 15 is 5, and 3/3 of 15 would be 15. Okay, if we go on to the next one, it's 3/4 of 36. So we have the whole here, and the denominator is 4, and that's we have to divide the whole, which is 36, by 4 to get our equal parts. So 36 divided by 4 equals 9. Now this is where the numerator comes in. Now we have 3 parts, so we need to times that number by 3. So it's times 3. So 3/4 of 36 is 27. Our next one we go on to is 5/10 of 120. Now for this one, once again we have 10 as a numerator, and that's how many equal parts the group needs to be broken up into. So the group is 120, then we need to divide it by 10 to work out how many groups we're dividing it into. It equals 12. Now we need 5 parts of these equal groups, so we times it by 5, and our answer is 60. So 5/10 of 120 is 60, which is half, also half, so that's an equivalent fraction. But we'll get into that on another recording.